What I'm bringing you today is our company will home an intelligent electrical limited ATC resistance tester. We're going to run a test on it. These are the two current terminals and two voltage terminals. We're handling the test specimens here. It is a standard resistor, two current terminals and two voltage terminals. The test specimen connected here is a standard resistor. We are now turning on the instrument. There is something propping it up from behind. You can prop it up. It can be used during testing. Then, we select the current. Resistance testing. Click OK. OK, and then select the current. On our end, it's a 2.5 milliamps. Therefore, we should choose 5 amps or 10 amps. Otherwise, it will exceed the range. It cannot be measured. It is also displayed here at the back. OK, we are now selecting 5 pairs for testing. Click OK. Start. Waiting for test results. OK, out of measurement range. I recommend using a 10 amp range. OK, we'll use the 10 amp file. Please select the current to be measured. Choose 3. You can also choose the automatic option. Then we click OK. Start test. OK, the results have come back now. OK, the instrument is discharging. After the beep, once the instrument's discharge process is complete, data printing can proceed. To print, you need to connect a printer. We'll select data storage. OK, the test is over.